He's 18 months old and 1 week. And we're going to try to get him to say some words, but he's very interested in the video camera. Yeah.
Scott, what does a coyote say?
Yeah, good boy.
And what does a bear say? What does a train say? And what does a rooster say?
Can you say it again?
What does a rooster say?
That's right, cockadoo.
And what does a lion say? Yes.
What does a shark say? Yeah.
And what does a turtle say?
That's right, turtle.
What else does he do?
What's this? Elbow.
And Scott,
Scott, what does a pig say? Yeah.
what does a pig say?
That's right.
What does an elephant say?
Yeah. What does daddy say? Yeah. Can you say mommy? Yeah. Can you say Scott? That's right.
And can you say Reese?
Reese.
Yes. And what else?
Can you say Ella? Yeah, that's right. What does a cat say? Meow. Yeah. What does
a dog say?
a dog?
says dog.
Dog says dog.
What does a rabbit say? Rabbit.
What? What else do you say? What does a truck say? Oh, I didn't know that one.
Can you say alligator?
That's close, yeah. Ha ha ha.
Can you say digger?
Yeah. What does Santa say, Scott? Ho 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 ho.
What does a cow say? Yeah.
What does a monkey say? Yeah. Does he know fox?
Oh no. Scott, show us your guns.
Oh, yeah.
That's the best one. How could we forget that?
Daddy, yeah. Can you do the itsy bitsy spider with mommy? The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider crawled up the spout again. Yay! Daddy!
We'll do pat a cake. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it.
Yeah.
And pat it. And mark it with the B. And put it in the oven
for the Bifford family. Yay!
What else does he do that's cool? That's about it.
Oh.
Yeah. Show us your guns.
Oh, yeah. What other animals does he know? Scott, can you say squirrel? Yeah. Ha ha ha.
What does a snake say?
Good boy. What does a frog say? Ribbit. Can you say baby? Yeah. Can you say Micah? Yeah.
Can you say grandma?
Yeah. That's funny, isn't it? They sort of sound the same.
Can you say juice?
What does a sheep say? Yeah. What does a rooster say? That's right. We do that at one again because it's Mommy's favorite. Yeah, Mommy's favorite. Cockadoo. Yeah, that's my boy. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
That's right. Good boy.